Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create poll on YouTube. So let's get started. So to do that, what you have to do is just simply open up your YouTube application, and after opening it, just tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen, and after tapping on that, now you'll find a poll option which is on the bottom left. Just tap on that poll, and after tapping it, now you can create a poll. Now in order to create a poll, what you can do is just simply enter the question that you want to ask first. Just simply enter it. So after entering your question, now what you can do is, now you can create a poll. So you can create a poll of a text. You can also create it of an image, which is on the bottom right. You will find those two options in the bottom right. Now what I'll do is, I'll just simply select the image, and now I can upload an image. So the maximum poll limit is 4. You can't add more than 4. So now what you can do is just simply select the image that you want to upload. So after entering them, now what you can do is just simply tap on post, and after tapping on post, wait till it's upload. Now after uploading it, what you can do is just simply tap on your profile, and after tapping on your profile, now you can just simply check your post by tapping on the profile which is on the top, and then tap on community which is on the last, and after tapping on that, now you can see your poll. So you can't answer your poll. If someone answers it, you can find the percentage over that poll. So in this way, you can also create a poll on YouTube. So that's it guys, this is how to create a poll on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.